Okay.
And I can tell you if I'm doing something different.
Right.
If I need to, I could tell you left or right.
Yeah, sure, sure.
I don't think you'll have a problem.
What are those chutes for, buddy?
The what?
These little chutes here.
What shoots? Just to hold the plane like I had to sit.
Oh, okay, so you can work on it?
Yes. And they also start them here.
Okay.
And when they rev up the engine, it pushes the wings against here so they can
Warm
they
up
have
the
to
motors.
warm up
Yeah.
the gas engines.
Right.
Yep.
I'll just get down on the field.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, and then I'll just come catch up to you.
I'll tell you when I'm getting ready to take off. If you want to get in the air. Whenever you're ready, I'll take off.
That was a good landing.
That was sick, dude. I love it.
You gotta watch. You're supposed to have a professional pilot's 107 license for them.
Right.
If you post video, right?
Yep. That's why I gotta put. That's why
If
I
you make
gotta.
any money at
You
all,
gotta have this thing.
you
Yeah.
have
Okay,
to
so
have
you
a 107.
or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's the
I
law.
don't
If
think they
you
mess with
make
people.
money at all, then yeah, you'll get a $5,000 fine.
I know they can't.
I got my
didn't
drones
know that.
registered too. The $5 you pay to the FAA for the
I'm
3 years.
registered with
Yeah.
that. All these are registered.
That's good, cause yeah, if like one of them cops, you know, they come up here or whatever, if they know enough
They
to
don't bother
check,
us.
if they know enough, if somebody knows enough to check to see if you have that and you don't, I think they said it's like up to a $10,000 fine.
You're actually not allowed
Except
to
for
fly
me.
in the park.
Except
Yeah.
for me, I can fly this anywhere besides.
Because you're
state
sub
parks.
250,
Yeah, because
they
I'm
just
below
changed it.
250.
Now everybody has to take this test called the trust test for the FAA, even if it's, oh, everybody's 100% passes, because if you get the wrong answer, it doesn't let you go on to the next question until you select the right one. So it's basically like a review. They want you to review it. Yeah, they call it a test, but it's like
Can I
review.
look at yours?
Yeah, yeah, you can look
Is
at
that
it.
one of the new cameras out? That's two separate cameras?
Yeah, this is a GoPro Hero 9.
Okay, is one like night, or is it digital and one analog, or no? I know they have them.
The drone, this one's analog, or this one's digital here.
I see. So
And then
you're
this is-
flying with this, and
Yeah,
you're
and then I'm recording good, real good 4K 30 and 4K 60 and stuff with that.
Oh,
This one
okay,
will
that'd be
do
great.
5K too. This GoPro Hero
So
9.
if I write down my